you need to develop a solid business plan. Tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, no, dapat maayos yung business model. Create a detailed business plan na naka-outline doon yung lahat ng goals natin, yung mga strategies natin, and yung ating mga financial projections. Sa ating business models, ang aking favorite na frameworks are the plans that are based on the business model canvas or the Filipino-made na Mansmith Business Model Map. So this was created by one of my mentors na si Josiah Go. You can find detailed explanations and lots of examples sa kanyang website na continuum-edu.com. Ilalagay na lang namin yung link sa baba, alright? Most of the time, just by doing the numbers, yung mga financial projections, tapos yung business model map, yung mga goals natin, kung gagawin lang natin to mag-isa, you will see how you can grow the business without even having to borrow. Anyway, should you decide to still borrow, clarifying the business model and the financial projections will help potential investors, yung mga mag-i-invest sa inyo o kaya yung magpapautang sa inyo, mas maintindihan nila yung iyong vision at ang yung potential na return on their investment. Syempre, hindi sila basta-basta magpapautang sa atin, di ba? Kailangan makita nila na makakabayad tayo. And it's just the projections na kailangan nila. Hindi na kailangan yung full-blown na financial plan or yung mga marketing plan. Hindi na uso yun ngayon kasi mga tao ngayon wala nang time. They don't want to read voluminous papers. Just the business model map and the projections, the goals, and makikita na nila kung kikita ba kayo, makakabayad ba tayo or hindi. And it will make them more open to lend to us.